Get him, Chansey. Get it. Get that crawdad. Get it. Get that crawdad. Go get him. Look at him. He's so ugly. You killed my damn fish. I don't see a reason why I should be merciful and let you go. Chansey, are you hungry? You want the crawdad? You want the crawdad? You can eat the crawdad for dinner. Get him. Should leave him out here to toast up. Get him. Get him. Get your crawdad. Get it. Chansey, not over there. Come here. Chansey. Come here. Leave Murphy alone. Come on.